Alrighty, so hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm trying out this other brand, Impress, and these are super cute brown nails that I found. And what caught my eye was the no glue, and it comes with a lot of nails. It was like $5, so I'm gonna test it out and try it out. As you can see, it says no glue required. We just clean our nails, press it on, and wait. So I'm gonna see how these definitely do. And it is made by one of my favorite brands, I believe, Kiss. They're under this, so yeah, I was trying to figure out how to open this thing. But these are just like some nails I did over the holidays just to test it out and see how I would feel with the whole no glue and that. So it comes with a wood stick, a mini alcohol wipe, and a mini file. Alrighty, so I already like sorted out to see which nails fit which fingers, and as you see, I already put one on my pinky. So I was just trying to find the best ones to fit. I think I had an issue with finding ones to fit my middle fingers because like they only had one in my size. I don't know why, but yeah, so bam, and just like that, it's done. It's on there. And as you see, like my nails are short, so on the pinkies, the sticker piece hung over a bit, so I know that would be bad for like when I pick up stuff and eat and all that, getting things stuck under my fingernails, gross. But I like how it's an easy apply, simple, doesn't take a lot of work. And I did prep my nails off camera, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alrighty, so this is what the finishing product looked like. As you see, like that middle one looks kind of awkward, but as usual, file the top to just even it out to make it look good. And I do like these nails, but one thing I will say, these are like a special occasion one day type. Like after a few days, it'll come off, in my opinion. So I would definitely only wear these nails once and then throw them away because there's no way you can reuse them. That's what I'm trying to say. But super cute, loved them. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next and have a blessed one. Bye.